Good morning, everyone. My name is Teresita Daina Salama. I am accredited competency assessor for web development and CG, and this is my ID for test the assessor. And so, before we begin, let's check the attendance and give me your admission slip. Miss Bien, please give me your admission slip and sign this attendance. And Miss Ramirez, please sign this attendance sheet. So I have here accomplished self-assessment guide, which indicate that you can perform the required competency of web development and C3. Today you will undergo the competency assessment for web development and C3. The qualification of web development and C3 use of basic, common, and core competency. For our core competency, develop static web page, develop dynamic web page, apply web development tools. And I will now distribute the competency assessment agreement sheet. And read it carefully and answer all required information. If you need help, I will assist you. Thank you. Okay. Now, the course have been accomplished. And candidate number 1, Ms. Ken, please now proceed the assessment area. Any candidate 2, please remain still. For candidate 1, you will perform the following tasks: develop a statistic web page, develop dynamic web page, apply web development tools, and please read the instruction. Do you have any question or clarification? Please be informed that after demonstrate, we will proceed the oral questioning and written test. Then, for your oral questioning, question, explain why you use the HTML structure. Thank you for answering the question. You are now read the written test.
Are you done? Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Please back to your remaining. And Ms. Ramirez, candidate number 2, please come in. Assessment area. And for your will perform the following tasks: develop statistic web page, then develop dynamic web page and apply web development tools. Please read this instruction. Do you have any question or clarification? Thank you. Please be informed after the demonstrate, you will proceed the oral question and written test. Are you done? Thank you. Please back in your seat. Then, for candidate number 1, please come here. And I will discuss your assessment result. I will now discuss your assessment result based on the rating sheet and the competency assessment result summary. Please, again, you have demonstrated the required competency and developing statistic and dynamic web page, apply web development tools, and answering tools and written questions satisfactory. You get the required performance standard. You are competent. You may now claim your NCP certificate of the Test the Provincial Office. And after 5 days, give the course and look for Sir Manny Atoy. Please sign this. Thank you. Please continue. For candidate number 2, Ms. Ramirez. Please sign this. And you are not able to meet standard requirement of the qualification, participant in the developing statistic and dynamic web page. You may now require to perform standard, you are not competent. And please sign your written sheet and the course. And you need to further practice and review these areas. You may now return after 1 month or earlier if you feel prepared. And don't worry, only the unit where you were found not yet competent. Please sign your course and written sheet. And here's your copy of the course. Please back to you. For this assessment. Thank you for your participation and you may now go. Thank you.